NCW report has now exposed the Mamata Banerjee government. The report, which is in exclusive possession of NewsX, reveals how she appeared to be under tremendous pressure, threat, and how she was emotionally battered. The role of the police has also been criticized. The NCW recommended that proper security to be provided to Tuktuki's parents as there is a threat to their life, and also demanded a CBI probe into the abduction case. Well, let's go across to my colleague Saurav Sanyal joining us with further details. Saurav, take us through the details of this very damaging report of the NCW now coming out, pinning the blame on the administration and the lackadaisical approach in this particular case.
Well, that's right. In fact, for our viewers, we are putting out, this is the NCW report which has been accessed exclusively by NewsX. And this NCW report has come up with damning revelations, in fact, in this particular case. We know that Tuktuki Mondal had been kidnapped not once but twice, and the second time around the day, the NCW team had actually come down and met her parents in Kolkata on the 20th of July, and then subsequently went down to Mograhat to try and assess the ground situation. That very day, Tuktuki Mondal came back. There was a press conference that was, addressed by very senior police officials from the State Secretariat, where they said that Tuktuki Mondal has come back and has said that she was not kidnapped, but that she went out on her own free will. But this report kind of exposes completely what went behind the scenes for that long. This report, which has been submitted by the NCW, clearly says that, keeping in mind the sensitivity of the case and the fact that Tuktuki was in a state of acute emotional distress and that there was continuous threat and intimidation to her and her family, the court directed that proper security be provided to Tuktuki and her parents. The report has also gone on to cast aspersions on the role of the state police, and the NCW has said that till 6:30 that day, when the press conference was announced, even though a central delegation was here from the NCW, including the chairperson, the state police did not bother to inform them about Tuktuki's whereabouts. So that kind of raises serious questions. They have also gone on to recommend that either a CBI or a CID probe should be instituted in this. And Akshay, what I must say, the new fact which is now coming to the fore from this report from the NCW, which clearly shows that how Tuktuki Mondal was in fact subjected to religious conversion, and that a Maulana, ensured that she read the Kalma. The Maulana ensured that, that her religion was changed. And to quote from the report, which I have with me, it clearly says that the Maulana, after that, the Maulana specifically mentioned that the victim was no more a Hindu and her new name is Nasra. So Tuktuki Mondal became Nasra.
Okay, Saurav, I'll have to interrupt you there for a moment. We will come back to you, of course, with some more breaking info coming in. We're going to cut across live to Congress Vice President